Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed mixed on Wednesday, with the S&P 500 and NASDAQ closing up, while the Dow Jones, that closed down. Semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, telecommunications services, and diversified financials, the best performing sectors for the day, while the energy, real estate, and capital goods sectors dragged behind. On the economic docket, the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago posting December National Activity Index at negative 0.35, lower than the expected 0.13, and existing home sales jumping to the highest level in nearly 2 years to 5.54 million homes in December, higher than expected. This all as 47% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Texas Instruments, a designer of semiconductors and calculators, announcing fourth quarter EPS of $1.12, above estimates, down from $1.27 a year ago on revenue of $3.35 billion. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have Procter & Gamble, Intel, Comcast, American Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and E-Trade all expected to report, while on the economic docket before the opening bell, we do have the Chicago Fed and the Red Book and November Housing Price Index. At 10 o'clock in the morning, we have December existing home sales figures. Taking a look at the market, the S&P 500, that sees choppy trade. The NASDAQ, that sees its key resistance 92.17. This while the Dow Jones sees its key resistance 29,225. As long as 29,225 is the resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below that figure are favored, with targets at 29,060 and 28,970 in extension.